All right, so today I want to make easy bake pie. Yeah, easy bake pie. Oh, first I need an easy bake oven. Lucky for me, I found this little bad boy on eBay and tore it apart. So we're gonna be able to make some pie real quick. I got the oven preheated. I have no idea what temperature because the yeah, it just doesn't work. All right, so I put it on, close to high because that usually makes things cook better anyway. And I've got my favorite chocolate chip pie recipe here ready to go with some little, with a good pie dough. So let's put that in the oven and see what happens. Ouch. Okay, so this is about 2 minutes later, and I can see smoke coming out of the oven, so that must mean it's done. So let's pull that bad boy out of there. Voila! Okay, it's a little crispy, but it's delicious. All right, I'm sure somebody's gonna ask me, dude, did you seriously buy a muffle furnace to use in your shop as an easy bake oven? Well, yeah. Well, not exactly. I've got some other projects in mind. Okay, so these muffle furnaces are usually a little more pricey than the things I put in my shop. So here's the deal. I found this guy on CraigsList who was selling it. He said it was in good working order. I checked a couple of other questions and then went out and saw it in the back of his truck. There are a couple of clues that it might not be in working order. For example, the power cord and the lack of any way to plug it in and try it out. So, you go from there. The inside looked clean and it wasn't really rusty or anything like that. So I had to pull it apart to figure out what was going on. And there were some obvious things there, and I'll show you those in the next video.